So guys, today we're burning an egg. This is the test. When you burn it, is it gonna stay so much long, or is the skin gonna melt and drip down like a candle? So are you guys ready? Let's start. So guys, we need an egg and a flammable gun. You can see flammable gun. Also there is in this flammable gun. I almost dropped that. We are gonna say to the eggy, are you ready to do the ultimate test, eggy? Yes. So are you guys ready as well as the eggy? I am scared to burn this, but it's gonna be so awesome seeing this burn. Oh, it burned. I think it popped. Yeah, it definitely. Oh, egg white, egg white, egg white. Just hold them. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's burning. It's roasting. Oh, it's going into. Now we're ready. Ready with 8 points. 2, 3. And now we are doing another egg. This looks like the bush. So we're gonna put some. So guys, you can see Eggy just got wrecked by the flammable gun. Holy shit, Eggy's no more here. It's cooked Eggy. Eggy, can you hear me? No, I'm dead. Okay, extra dead. Now he's extra dead. So guys, did you enjoy this? Next time I'll show you more interesting things. Bye!